Are you looking for the best smart plugs? In this video we will look at some of the best smart plugs. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Leviton Decora Smart Mini Plug-in Dimmer. The Leviton Smart Mini is a bit expensive for a small one-outlet smart plug, but it has loads of features for automating your lighting. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, HomeKit, Matter, and SmartThings, and it supports dimming for compatible bulbs. This is the smart plug to get if you want to set up dimmer routines or otherwise adjust the light levels of your non-smart bulbs from your phone. Its wide compatibility also means it should play nice with all your other smart home gadgets and will continue to work if you decide to switch platforms or voice assistants later. Size: 1.3 by 3.1 by 1.1 inches. Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Apple Siri, Energy Reporting, Google Assistant. IFT. Number 4. AiDot Linkind Matter Smart Plug. The AiDot Linkind Matter Smart Plug is a versatile single-outlet plug built on the Matter standard, which allows it to work with all of the major home automation platforms including Alexa, Google Assistant, HomeKit, and SmartThings. The Linkind Smart Plug worked faultlessly in testing, quickly responding to Alexa, Google, and Siri voice commands to turn the plug on and off. An Alexa routine to turn the plug on when a Ring floodlight cam detected motion worked as intended. We also had no trouble controlling it with the AiDot, Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home apps. The AiDot Linkind Matter Smart Plug is a top choice if you use multiple home automation platforms to control your smart devices and want to smarten up small household items like lamps. However, if you want a Matter-enabled plug for automating power-hungry appliances, the TP-Link KP125M is the better option thanks to its energy usage reports. Size: 1.4 by 2.6 by 1.2 inches. Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Apple Siri, Energy Reporting, Google Assistant. IFT. Number 3. TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Power Strip, HS300. Why limit yourself to just one or two outlets when you can remotely manage 6 at a time? The TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Power Strip is a full power strip with a half-dozen outlets you can individually control and automate, along with 3 USB ports that are useful if you want to charge anything. This power strip is useful for managing multiple lamps and other devices at once, as long as they're relatively close to each other. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, but it doesn't support HomeKit, Matter, or SmartThings. Size: 1.2 by 14.1 by 2.5 inches. Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Apple Siri, Energy Reporting, Google Assistant. IFT. Number 2. EV Energy Outlet. Whereas most of the options on this list plug into your existing outlet, the EV Energy Outlet replaces it for sleek and permanent smart home controls. This dual receptacle outlet can be controlled using the EV app, iOS only, or with Apple's Home app, and because it supports Matter and Thread, you can add it to your Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings ecosystems if you have the proper hub. In testing, we found it easy to install, and it worked flawlessly with the Alexa, Apple Home, and Eve apps, and Alexa and Siri voice commands. It will tell you how much power each receptacle is using, offers flexible scheduling, supports geofencing triggers, and works with routines and scenes that you can create with your platform of choice. If you're looking for a hardwired smart outlet, the EV Energy Outlet is a top pick for its cross-platform compatibility and energy reporting. Keep in mind that, as with any electrical outlet, the energy outlet must be installed in a wall box and requires working with electrical wiring. If you're not comfortable with that, you should hire a professional to do the job. The outlet has a 15W/1800 rating and is designed solely for indoor use. As an outdoor-friendly alternative, the Leviton Smart GFCI outlet lets you monitor out-of-the-way appliances like pool pumps. Size: 4.7 by 2.93 by 1.7 inches. Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Apple Siri, Energy Reporting, Google Assistant. IFT. Number 1. TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim with Energy Monitoring, KP125M. All smart plugs can turn your devices off and on, but only some can tell you how much power your devices are using. The TP-Link Kasa Plug Slim with Energy Monitoring generates energy reports, letting you know just how much power is going through your lamp, home theater, or appliance. With Matter support, it works with most major smart home platforms and voice assistants. This smart plug is a bit pricey, but it can potentially save you money in the long run if you want to make sure some of your larger electronics aren't using too much power. It's worth picking up to keep an eye on your power-hungry appliances, though there are cheaper options for automating small household items like lamps. Size: 1.5 by 2.6 by 1.6 inches. Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Apple Siri. Energy reporting. Google Assistant. IFT.